distinguished judges, and most especially, mga kasamahan natin sa industriya na bumubuo itong event na ito. Ms. Evelyn, thank you so much for your never-ending love and support to this industry. You're really a big contributor and a big help to our fellow salonistas and to the entire community. Thank you so much. And for decades, for 36 years, you remain unbeatable, relentless, unstoppable, and most especially respectable. Thank you so much, Evelyn, for giving us the opportunity to become one of your partners and also your team, our principal sponsor for this Fair Asia 2025. My company, Alpha Corporation, is honored to be in partner with you. Thank you so much, Ms. Evelyn. I would also like to share a few moments from the bottom of my heart. And my company, Alpha 8, we are greatly honored for your contributions because, you know, at the end of the day, helping one another is profitable, it's business. And with this event, Fair Asia event, we were able to uplift. And that's why in our company, Alpha 8 Corporation, have provided a good quality US FDA products so that we will be able to secure a good quality product so that, you know, kami,
magkakulit pa rin yung sa top part at yung sa yung ends na yung tail niya, ganon. Kailangan magkakulit pa din yung tail niya and yung from dito kailangan smooth yan. Hindi yan pwede na parang magkahiwalay yung taas, magkahiwalay din yung baba. Kasi hindi na siya tail, kasi naputol na yung tail, ganon. So, ayan.
qualified maging overall champion. That is the rule. Okay? So baka sabihin ng iba, mas marami akong cards sa kanya. Hindi
Kailangan
ka
mo
naman
maayos,
champion.
baka dikit-dikit.
Most outstanding
1
ka
point
na.
is 1
So
point.
kailangan maging champion ka muna ng isang man lang
Baka maka 20 plus ka.
para
Pasok
maging
ka sa
qualified.
round.
Welcome back, Claire! Rachel Obaco!
Hi, good morning,
Shebun! Yes!
Nag-vlog ako kaya medyo busy ako rin. Punong-puno tayo, kita hanggang sa
Oh,
labas.
thank God! Diba?
Grabe, isipin mo ba na kahit ang lakas ng ulan, ganito punong-puno tayo. Thank you so much,
Dami-dami pala.
Risha.
Wala nang ulan. Wala nang ulan kahapon pa. Yun ang pinapanalangin namin ni Mami mo.
Thank you, mo.
Si Bana, of course. Si Bana, boot is there. May buy one, take one ang palit. Ano ba po?
Bilangin mo ulit ha.
Bilangin mo ulit.
Tanggalin mo kayong gloves mo.
One supply lang.
Yes.
Punong-puno pa rin sa labas. Sana yung mga nangyayari pumasok, makapasok na lahat. And
Tanggalin mo yung gloves mo.
shoulder lang.
Yes, oo.
Napakapili ko now, yung actually short hair is going back. So, short hair talaga yung ano na yun, conquer. Okay, short hair na fashionable, at the same time, yung talaga, may fierce. Okay.
Congratulations to all the contestants and the participants. Like Rose said, no, I really enjoyed yung from the pixie bobs and the various kinds of bobs, pati na rin yung mga long layers. A very creative color, challenging. Kaya some of them, may suggest, reach up to 5 times. You know, two to three usually. But hindi feel ko rin yung integrity ng hair, make sure hindi siya severely damaged. Congratulations to your works.
63, 62, 61. Wala? Okay, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, yes, 52,
Who is the winner?
51. Congratulations.
Paki-close up, camera. Camera, lagi. Cash prize is pass. Who is the competitor?
Competitor.
Where are you?
Congratulations, it's here. Saan na po natin? Congratulations.
Yan muna. Champion! At last! Ano pangalan mo?
Dito Gomez, madam. Madam, akala ko tapos na yung career ko because senior na ako eh. Kaya lang because of my friend pushing me to join again, sige, sabi ko, I show my talent. Akala manalo, okay, sige, join ulit ako.
Taga saan ka?
Taga Manila, Tondo, pero minsan nag-aano ko, freelancer talaga ako. Tapos madalas binukuan Larry or Tondo, Manila. Madalas sa server sa loob ako.
Congratulations. Senior, ah. Here's your 25,000.
Congratulations.
ng ganitong gold. Okay, because women now are very powerful. And bagay na bagay sa kanya yung haircut niya. Okay? Kasi importante kasi talaga when you do hair, cut and color, kailangan bagay din sa nag-carry nung style.
Orange Phoenix. Ang concept.
Who is the competitor?
Ano pangalan yung competitor?
Yes, wala pa. Hindi niya alam na nalo siya.
Nanalo si Orange Phoenix. Sino ang competitor ni Orange Phoenix?
Oh, sino competitor?
Mr. Herbert Coralde po.
Oh, Herbert.
Hindi! Yan mga anak. Palagi niya nananalo eh. Herbert. Herbert Coralde. Herbert, welcome back. This is 15,000 pesos in cash. Pakibukas, pakibilang muna. Sige, buksan mo, baka sabihin pa kailan.
Yes, congratulations. And trophy.
Photo ko, photo. Yeah, yung gift-box mo, Herbert.
Okay, go press guys. Picture tayo. Sige ba? Si winner sa gitna. Judges. Okay, go press. Go press. Press tayo ng konti. Yan.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry.
May tie!
Five.
It's a tie.
Okay.
So, tie sila. 10. Ilang cards? 25. Tie ang second runner-up. Okay, sino yung competitor na Lisa?
Competitor daw ng
Akyat lang sila na akyat dito. So, harap tayo sa judge.
Number 1
Bigyan mo ako
was
ng spare na cards. Dito, bigyan mo ako ng spare na cards.
wow, tatlo ba sila?
Tatlo! My God! Ayan na, makikita nyo. Hindi alam nila.
Back to zero.
Meron silang sarili-sariling choice. Penny card na 6. So, judges, we will think it over. And then, can you come closer? Rejudge again and give your cards whoever
Okay, sa tatlong
is the
tie.
second runner-up. Anak, mahulog ka, ha? Yes. Turn around.
Turn around, models. Nice.
Okay. And then walk again. So, tatlo. Grabe. It means to say that you have your own choices.
Walang tapo.
Different tastes, right?
10,000 tas magiging zero. Happy na lang.
Isa lang. Okay. Judges, okay. Balik tayo.
Okay, models, go back now.
You can approach them and then
5 na lang.
give your card whoever you want to win for the second runner-up.
Ano kaya pinakamahirap gawin sa tatlong to?
Sino na naman? Tayo na naman?
Oh my God, tayo ulit!
Tayo ulit? Okay, give another set of 6 cards. Again, ano ba kayong tatlong Maria? Lahat talaga eh. Even eh. Okay. Okay, another set. You just hold on to the first round. Another set.
6 pa daw ulit.
Again. Another set. Tigi-tigi sa kayo, Angelo.
Okay, sana may manalo na.
Consider the total look this time. Yes, the total look. Okay, judges. Julius, ikaw ba? Yeah. And the two, sino yung competitor nila?
Okay,
Ang
ito
taas!
ang competitor.
Ang tagal! Anong pangalan?
Julius Corilan from Caloocan, ma'am.
Ilang taon ka naman sumasali? Si,
20 years, lagi naman ako sumasali, always.
thank you for your love sa Hair Asia. Alam mong ang pagmamahal sa'yo ng Hair Asia gano'n. Kaya hindi mo talaga mahihindihan ng Hair Asia.
Thank you, Manang HB. Love you to you all. Salamat.
Saka sa diba? Congratulations anak. Pero talagang qualified eh. Wala tayong magagawa. Oo. Alright. Gift packs, most outstanding. Kunin niyo yung gift packs. Ayan. Who is the competitor? Get your medals. Yeah, sulat ang mabuti yung ano. Ruel, sulat mo yung number niya. Kung anong number. Model number. 117. Congratulations! Sayang, pero yeah, okay na rin yun. Photo. Okay, left. Ang susunod, 24 first kay Ruel. Ruel, number ng modelo, pakilagay. Medals. We have the medals already. We have 12 most outstanding. Tuloy-tuloy na, Lek.
21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 16, you have 16, dalawa silang 16. Alright, dalawang 16, 15, 15. Register muna tayo ha. So dalawang 16 tayo at isang 15.
Hindi, dapat
Register muna tayo before we continue.
top 3 ka. Top 3 talaga.
So we got two 15s and isang 14. Alright. Congratulations. Okay, I'll continue. 13. Okay, 13. We have 13. I'll stop muna until makapag-register si 13. Okay, then 12. 12. I have 12. Dalawang 12 tayo. Dalawang 12. Okay, stop muna. Dalawang 12 at isang 13.
Ruel, stop na. Okay. Kompleto na most outstanding.
Our complete. Okay.
Ilan yung mga winners? Direk?
Para makita yung natin.
Thank you.
Ganda! Kobe!
Thank you.